what I eat for breakfast on a raw food diet. First, you got to harvest your breakfast. And the ones that fall off naturally are the ones that are the best. So let me show you another little secret here to when you want to check and find the ripe ones. Okay. Nothing on that one. Try this. One came off on there. Anything over here? Let's find out. Can't see me, but and there we go. So what you do is you just shake the tree and you get the ripe ones that come off. I'll probably need one more fatty. And that'll do it. That'll give me a full glass of juice here. Then you take your knife and cut your tangelos. Now, of course, this could be blackberries, plums, peaches, pears. Now, I know it's the middle of winter. I live in Hawaii. It's 80 degrees today. So we're definitely blessed, but it's the living foods principle that needs to be kept alive. And when you eat the living foods, you will be drawn to go somewhere with you and your family. So you decide, I'm going to do living foods. And then the living foods overtakes you and guides you. But either way, humanity's going to have to come back to the law of life, because all living organisms on planet Earth eat raw. Every bug, bird, bee, mammal, carnivore, they're all 100% raw. Everything in nature is 100% raw, uncooked. And then there's the humans. And look at what they're doing to themselves. And then they go to the medical thing and get all cut up, all burned up, all irradiated, and get all strung out on drugs. And then they live in fear of these diseases, which can be mitigated, you know, through awareness and consciousness and truth. And understanding the holy law, the raw law, the law of raw, the law of the living foods. And when food is fresh like this, that's when you get that electrical current. That's when your brain wakes up. That's when your heart wakes up. And then you've got the hard work of actually dealing with the karma that you came to this planet with, you know, until there's no more karma left, because you get so into the life current with the diet, with the thoughts, with the heart, with the one, then there is no more karma anymore, because there's no more duality. So what you're trying to do is become one with the divine flow. Then you don't have to hate anyone, even the people that hate you, even the people that are trying to kill you because they don't know any better, you know. It's pretty amazing what can happen. And you can just love, you know. Oh yeah. So this is my breakfast. It is noon o'clock. and I've already been very busy this morning. And so what I like to do, and I suggest that we all earn our breakfast, you know. We should have energy to get up, get moving, and earn our breakfast. Otherwise, we wake up, we eat bacon and eggs, sausage, hash browns, toast, coffee, orange juice, and bacon with some sausages. And we do that at 7 in the morning. That's more of a food addiction because there's no need for food. So skipping breakfast and waiting till at least 9, after your workout or after you've been up and about and moving around and jump on the rebound or whatever you do, working on the land or whatever your thing is, and then getting the system to where it's ready to receive. Otherwise, if you put it in there, you have to have all the spices and flavorings, and you're not really ready to eat, but you got to trick your taste buds to want to even take anything that early in the morning. And then that's when you get the reflux. That's when you get the acid conditions, the bad stomach, the bloating, the gas, the overweight, the obesity, and the diseases. So earn your food, and if you can move in the direction of more living foods, you will be glad you did. And it may even take 22 years before it actually dawns on you what you've discovered or rediscovered or just remembered, really, in that everything is raw. Everything is living foods. All the microbes, all the leaves, all the animals, all the birds, all the bees, every living organism. Not one single organism on this planet except the human beings. And look at what they're doing to themselves. Look at the sad state of affairs. Look at the explosion of cancer, which is a safety mechanism by the body to store toxins so that it's not in the bloodstream. The cellulite, the obesity, that's all just toxins. So that your blood can't deal with that. Your blood has to stay in a certain pH or you'll die. So it has to store all the acid waste on your body and tumors and cellulite and fat. And I've been dealing with a lot of people and trying to help as many as I can. I know I'm not the softest, most gentle guy. I'm also not the biggest dick in the world either. Somewhere right in the middle, but this is my way of expressing the truth to the best of my ability because I do want to help. And I want to inspire too by cool stuff like this. So I go out of my way and to set all this up to do something cool. But just to show you also that this is a way. I don't do this every morning, of course. Right now I'm about to go climb some coconut trees. I just harvested these a bunch of lilikoi. I'll show you what those, you've seen those before. Those are passion fruits. I'll cut one open here in a second. And then there's some mandarins. They're all falling off the tree. And those make a nice juice too and a nice snack. Oh, this one's broken. So I'll just show you that, and then I'll show you a lilikoi also. I'm going to have another cup or two of that Tangelo juice, and I'm going to meet the landscaping guy here to get a load of compost delivered right over here on top of these wood chips. Then I'm going to inoculate it with microbes, and then that compost will just sit here and ferment with those microbes, and then there'll be this fermented microbial wood chips that I can put on all the trees, avocado trees, banana trees, papaya trees. There's a beautiful papaya right back there, and I've got to do a lot of clearing and stuff. But then you feed the trees. I wanted to show you this. Oh, look at the little babies. Oh, isn't that sweet? Oh, see the little baby compared to the... So, get stoked. It's the electricity in the living foods. Find the farmer's market. We did this to ourselves. We're the only ones that can undo it, And I've been getting a lot of people, and then I'd say, this is how much it is for a consult, and then they're like, I can't afford it. So, I'm just trying to help people, you know, by just, it's like I'm going to make some videos talking about how to get healthy and be disease free for a whole lifetime. How to have super babies, how to have energy, how to have a reproductive function. Can you dig it? It's the freshness. One lime came off the tree, and then lilikoi, baby. Dripping with the juices of life. Can you dig it? And you just peel that out of there. God is good. Nature is good. Pharmaceuticals, boo. There's some good emergency purposes for pharmaceuticals, but about 99.5% of the people, or 99.9% of the people that are on drugs would do really well to clean out the obstructions on their pancreas and get rid of diabetes. I'll be making videos about that soon. I got a class coming up, as a matter of fact, this weekend on the Patreon, the Elite Video Club. Juicing 101 for health. Can you dig it? I do more in-depth classes over there, 3 hours long. So if you ever want to join the Patreon and get stoked, it's dirt cheap, 39 bucks a month. It's good stuff, folks. It really works. It really works to clean out the debris, to eat the living foods, to get the exercise, to be grateful, to be happy. No matter where you are, I've been everywhere, and you can do it. There's farmers markets, there's stores, there's things you can find. You soak and sprout the nuts and seeds, and you make sprouts, you know? It can be done, you know? You just have to really want it. And then it becomes easy. Okay, I want to stop talking and enjoy some of these snacks. And I've got more work to do today. But I hope that you learned something from this video, or got re-inspired, or something good happened. I hope for you the best, okay? Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Aloha.